Welcome to my third vlog. Okay. By the way, this is a family channel, but however, I think it will help our subscriber, to share, and it will increase a little bit if I'm gonna put a little bit of tutorial video to this channel. Right. So for today's tutorial, we will do the sound setup. Okay, if you haven't have check your microphone setup and there's a little bit of noise, you can have this nice quality crisp voice, right? Who don't like this kind of voice, right? Okay, enough of me. All right, so yeah, I just want to share with you the first vlog that I made. It's a video capture device. It is short and straightforward. You will instantly make your computer captured using OBS. Very simple. And then the next one is how will you put this pause icon here, because at the beginning of the OBS when you installed it, there's no pause icon here, so that when you record it and you want to go to the comfort room, you can post it and then go back like nothing happens, like this. I'm just kidding, I didn't post it. Okay, so the vlog that I'm gonna do is as you can see, this is the settings for mic, right? So we have, this is the three important actually two important buttons that you need to know, or selections or options that you need to know. The filters. Okay, for the filters, this is the default filters that I use. Noise suppression, this one is a method that you can focus the microphone on your voice itself, right? So if you're gonna remove this one, it will sound like this. See, everything is so loud and like there's a noise there on the audio, right? Who like that? No one, right? So filters, I'm gonna bring that one back with that noise suppression, and then I put it on higher quality, right? So just close it again and go back to the mic settings, go to the filters again, and then this is the expander, right? Expander is you can increase the volume of your voice here, right? The first initial volume that transcend to the microphone output gain, right? Just increase it. The default one is in the middle, or lesser 50%, like 40%. But this one, I'd like to make my voice more clear and focus on the audio recording, so I put it on the 12 decibels, right? And then the noise suppression, very important. And gain is it's the same as like the output gain, but this one is, it give more treble on the audio sound, right? So that's very simple, right? You can do that, man. It's very simple. Look, gain, expander, and noise suppression. It just, if you just want to make it a really good audio output, put that settings, right? Okay, so that's it for now. For the next vlog, I'm gonna do a little bit of desktop audio and more on the options like advanced audio properties and properties. Right, fantastic. All right, if you haven't subscribed yet, click the notification bell, but first click the subscribe, okay? Because you cannot click the notification bell, right? I'm just kidding, you're not a dummy, you can do that. All right, cheers, mate. Bye-bye.